Hey, so next back with another episode, Jason Fan episode 2, called Arrival in Tokyo. Last episode, main character turned into a chainsaw from Pochita. Oh, we're gonna have breakfast instead of just bun, a slice of bun. But surprisingly, he's ripped though. For being scrawny. I think he's starving.
I think that's a starvation diet.
That might be the starvation. I'll take that back. I mean, he is a lumberjack and also a devil hunter. Offer to let that on. Bro. MC. I'm worried. Bro, that face scares me. A yes or a wolf?
You see, bro?
Someone in France once told that when we get dogs that aren't... Oh,
that's pretty brutal. Bro, that could be your girlfriend. You wanted one. No.
He probably didn't think of it as being a dom, though. Like a heavy dom.
What's that?
That's some bullshit, bro. Come on. You want to see Pochita for one episode? Bro. I can have a blazer? Thank you, man. No, she scares me.
You're just scared of dominant women, bro.
Maybe. I like kickback.
Udon.
I would take some udon.
I want corn dog.
Udon kurudo. Oh no, I'm starving.
Oh. You see where he
Why
gets?
he has his eye back?
Yeah.
Oh, cool,
He got
yeah.
everything back, I think.
He's got an extra testicle, he has a kidney back.
Imagine, bro. He's just missing his testicle.
Even from a historical perspective, they really looked into him. Damn, you're hard for us. You can sense lies? Why he has a sense of bullshit? Oh my god, bro, please feed him udon.
Food.
Bro, that looks so fucking good, bro. Why? Oh my god.
Bro, what are you doing? Bro, be like, I can't. Please. He just barks. I'm a penny dog.
Miss Ma'am. Makima Miss Ma'am. Oh, Miss Makima.
You see, bro?
A loyal dog. Oh, we won. You be like, we? I won.
Dude, that's me.
No shit. She literally said the fuck? What?
Where are you?
Oh.
Oh, damn.
And the best benefit and a lot of paid time off.
I mean, sounds nice on paper, but it must be dangerous.
Well, obviously. Putting your life on the line, bro. She scares me a bit.
Wait, that's your uniform?
A fresh pair of clothes. Aki Hayakawa. Oh, I'm shadowing. Cool. Oh, she's probably like a captain or something. What the fuck is this picture? A devil taking a human. Oh!
Ain't no way. I don't know how much I
don't know. Wow. Probably not, honestly.
Oh!
What the fuck? I want to be her boyfriend.
Oh!
Sir, what the fuck is your problem? Oh, I gotcha. He doesn't want to see you die. I mean, he's been doing devil hunting now, so.
You don't know that?
Oh, facts, right. They know nothing about him.
Ow.
Damn, nice aim.
マキマさんには俺から言っといてやるよ。お前は悪魔にビビって逃げ
Nah,
た。
bro. I'm like, I'm gonna show you a real devil hunter. Then shit on him. Oh, never mind.
No.
優しい人なんだな、おい。俺は
God damn it! Oh! One more for the road.
俺は今日初めてうどん食ったぜ。フランクフルトもな、初めて人並みの扱いされたし、初めて飯食わせても俺にとっちゃ夢みてえ
They
な。
don't know he's been through shit, bro.
俺は軽い気持ちで
That's crazy, bro. He literally got a new fit, then they got damaged.
続けるために
Bruh.
死んでもいいぜ。
Hello? Bah!
Oh.
I'll keep kicking you in the balls then.
お前みたいなチンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだ。
Why not?
ああ、誰が好きなだけじゃねえ。
I don't think he's gonna be alright, man.
I mean, it does the job.
Yeah. Can you die from that, bro?
Yeah? I think you can.
悪魔に弾を襲われました。
Oh, by the nut devil.
こいつの嘘です。
でどう
Oh no, he's coming again.
こいつクズですよ。
天智くんは早川くんの舞台に入っていた
Hayakawa's unit.
ブタ
So his squad.
うちはただでさえめんどくさいのが多いんだ。
One more.
他じゃ見ないような実験的な体制で動かしてみるって
That's me right now.
こいつ何者なんです。
天智くんは人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ
どうだ。すげえ。
Yeah, I was about to say that's fucking sick as fuck.
だから特別な対応で扱うことになりました応援を辞職したり違反行動が
Oh,
あ
you
っ
gonna
た
put him
場合
down.
天智くんは悪魔として処分されます死ぬまで一緒に働こうってこと
お前を見張るため一緒に住むことになった。
Bro, he literally had freedom, and then boom, he got slaved again. I mean, but it's the good treatment
マ
though,
キマさんって
so.
悪い人なの。そう思うならマキマさんは諦めろ。お前が悪魔なら忘れないだけ。
I can't read Makima, bro.
じゃあいい人なのか。いい人に決まってる。俺な、命の恩人だ。マキマさん。
What was that dude's name again?
Aki?
Aki, yeah.
梅ジャム。
Jam!
バターとハチ。
Honey!
Disgusting ass sandwich, but good for him.
Oh, he's making a sa-
できちまったぜ。
Oh.
I
I mean, I bet you that's sweet as fuck. Oh, this is his first time showering, no? I mean, bathing. And the way he's sleeping. Oh, he has his hair down. You used all the.
He's pissed. I'd be too.
A fiend?
Oh, wait.
早川さん、隣の人。
Whoosh!
人の死体を乗っ取った悪魔、それが魔人だ。
Oh.
おう、それじゃ俺
はい
魔人じゃね？違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴
Characteristic
的。
heads. So they're gonna be all deformed? So their heads are gonna be different. Yeah.
Oh.
Eating a whole ass bird, bro. Come on.
今回はお前
Devil controls the fiend's personality. You kill this one, turn into a devil. Alright!
それで使えるものかどうか判断。
Oh, he doesn't even have to turn into a. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Because he's already a pro at this, bro.
おい、なんで悪魔の力使わないの？まあ、俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ、手痛そうな。
Facts.
俺もこいつみてえな魔人になってたかもしれねえからな。それでなんか楽に殺してやりたくて。
Oh, cool.
いいか、覚えとけ。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。下にいる警察とも飲み行ったことあるけどな。奥さんとか子供を守るために命がけで仕事をしてる。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか。
Can't really respect stuff if you don't have nothing, man.
俺友達いねえもん。その言葉覚えとくぜ。
Mi amigo. Aki.
プッツンさせちゃったよ。本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかった。
No fucking way.
楽に殺してやったんだ。これはもらってくぜ。よし。
Oh my god.
私に見せてくれ
俺もマジでやってるぜ。落ちた。契約通り夢みてえないい生活してるもんね。風呂も毎日入れて、いいもん食えて、面のいい女も近くにいて、もう100点の生活なのに、なんか足りない気がする。
Companion,
なんかあ
huh?
ったか。
Oh, that's what.
He
マ
missed
ジでマジ
Let's see a
で。
girlfriend like you said last
あい
episode.
つ苦中的なあれだ。
some revenge
あい
shit.
つらは家族を守るこ
Oh,
と。
that- Take
Yeah.
that one
Oh,
too.
yeah, he doesn't really have a
マ
thing
キ
he's
マさ
fighting
んなんかあ
for.
んのか？マキマさんも。
No way, that's gonna be your purpose.
Purpose found. Clutching boobs. Wasn't that your purpose?
いきなり女抱くのは俺には難しい。でも胸なら。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
Dude, that's
So
just
you're-
fucking titties.
こと見つけたぜ。俺の
Oh
本気
my fuck. No way, that's actually your purpose, dog. Just to...
胸だ
胸と
話聞けば
Type shit.
デンジ君には今日からバディ
バディ
公安では小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため二人一組で行動することになっている
It's her, bro.
Oh, it's the other chick.
ちょうどよかっ
Yes, it was in the intro, bro. Remember?
た気をつけてね
She's a fiend, so she's a... Oh, gotcha.
いらっしゃい人間わしの名はバディとやらはうなか
パワ
What the fuck?
つうか魔人なの魔人がデビルハンターなんてやっても
A
いい
fiend
の
is a human that a devil went
Yeah.
onto it, yeah.
まあいい
No fuck!
Hell yeah! Boom!
駆除対象なんだけどパワーちゃんは理性が高いから
Highly rational.
部隊に入れ
That's
てみたん
good.
だ前にも言ったけど今得意4課は実験的な部隊なのすぐにでも上の方々が解体
Ah,
しちゃ
so,
うかも
oh,
しれない
okay.
パワーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから
Put a hat.
人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること
Because everyone will want to hate her or kill her.
人間早くなんか殺させろわしは血に飢えてるぞ
問題はどうやって胸を揉むかな
もし民間のデビルハンターに会ったり警察官に職務質問され
ハンター今得意4課でーす
って言って手帳を見せれば
全然悪魔いねえじゃん
わしのせいじゃな
No way.
わしは魔人に出る前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからのわしの匂いで
Oh, she just so happened to get this human.
はじゃあ俺たち結果出せねえじゃん
何か聞きたいことがあったら早川君に聞きな彼が君たちを組ませたから
Gotcha.
やろう俺をはめやがったな組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ
血の匂いじゃ
おいおい
Do devils automatically smell like blood? And I guess they always go around killing. Oh yeah, they never shower. My dumbass. Yeah, no shit. Sea cucumber devil?
Oh,
What? It's a big ass hammer!
oh! I think that's too messy.
They did change the outro. Wait, that means she had the true form as a devil then, right?
Sugar, ain't it?
Yeah. She scares me. There's something scary about her.
So Aki, besides power, as far as I know, power is
Power.
crazy.
She's chaotic.
And I think I remember now. I think Denji's a minor.
Bro? No way, bro.
I think so.
He honestly looks like an 18-year-old or 20, bro. And obviously Maki was a full-grown, blown-ass woman.
Yeah, she's a baddie.
Facts.
That way I would just get on my knees.
But basically we only have Power, Aki, and the purpose of Denji for fighting.
I don't even gotta be Makima. It can be power.
She would probably honestly just let him just for the fucks. Oh yeah, the fight! Yeah, he got
The
bossed.
Nut Devil!
Yeah, can't wait to see more Power, honestly, and Aki. Thank you guys for watching
God
today's
damn.
episode of Chainsaw Man. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. What would be your purpose of being in the devil hunting group? I'll see you guys next time. Peace!